gonna have a little pep talk, peep talk with this little guy before he decides to make the jump. How you doing, buddy? Looks like you're getting ready to... Mom is yelling at me. I see you. Remember, once you make that jump, buddy, that's when your life starts. Make the right decisions. You just jumped out at me. I didn't do anything. You jumped. Why are you looking at me like that? You jumped. I'm not gonna pick you back up. It's time to go. You flew the coop. Go. Go. I'm not your mother. Your mother's over there. I got him. It's okay. I'm not gonna hurt you. But I'm not your mother. I'm gonna put you back in your nest. Okay? And then we'll check on you later, okay?